ladies and gentlemen. So, my topic is 4.2 types of market research. So, types of market research. Two types of market research, two forms of research that are typically used in market research are primary and secondary. So, first, primary research. So, primary research, involves directly collecting data from consumers or potential customers. And the information gathered may be quantitative, numerical, statistical data, or quantitative and numerical. So, ang basic examples ani kay interviews sa telephone or face-to-face, then questionnaires and surveys online or made, and focus group discussion, FGDS. So, primary research is the conducted information could be gathered through the following. So, specific research requires collecting information gathered in more precise sought out by the business. More formal structured interviews are part of it. So, ang specific research naman is focus on gathering precise information. Example is conducting structured interviews to find out customers' preferences for a specific product. Next is exploratory research. Interviews with a single person or small group are frequently conducted as part of this wide and open-ended research project. So, exploratory research it is a preliminary assessment aimed at understanding a problem better. Ang example conducting interviews with various stakeholders to identify reason behind declining sales when the exact issue is unclear. So, second is secondary research. Secondary research is research that has already been prepared, gathered, organized, and published by others in referred to as secondary research. It comprises research and reports from government, organization, industry, trade groups, and other companies. Reading articles and periodicals, trade journals, and industry publications, going to reference library, conducting trade associations, and visiting a library are all ways to find secondary information. Government organizations are great ways to find secondary research data, which is frequently available for free. The researcher may be able to access data produced by private companies, but doing so may need permission and occasionally a cost. So, ang secondary research consists utilizing existing data that has already been gathered and published by other sources. So, next is lesson from 4.3 components of market research. First is product. Standardization of product is not always successful in emerging markets. Some products need to be modified to suit local taste. Distribution of the product depends on its definition as well. Business executives must have strategy for dealing with products at every point of their life cycle, and marketers must be aware of the life. Isn't always successful in emerging markets. Some products need to modify to suit our local taste. So, ang business executive must have strategy for dealing with products. So, dapat di man jud ng product na kanang kuan kanang successful pag ikaw mamaligya, di man jud sa tanan-tanan nga successful ang imong pagpamaligya. So, next is location. Location is a crucial for businesses that have embraced internet. Buying such businesses should investigate aspects like internet connectivity and determine whether the place is tech savvy before branching out to other areas. So, where will you sell your product? If it is online, do people on that area have good internet? Where in the store will it be? So, third is price. An organization must carefully consider how to price its items. Price is the sum of money customers are willing to spend on an item purchase. So, kung ikaw na maligya, dapat imong presyo dapat kuan kanang kanang sakto ra po siya sa mga item nga o kanang good ba siya quality or unsa pa na dira. Next, the last is marketing. Consumers have to convince that purchasing a product is necessary and meet its given price point. Essentials, public relations, advertising, and the whole media plan used to launch the product are all included in promotion. So, ang marketing, unsaon mo how will you tell people about your product? Unsaon mo pag-concept ng product na para mahalinan ka or unsay gamiton nimo nga ads. So, ma-art